All right, so we're going to do our rate of change questions. This is page 31. All right, so first one, we're finding the rate of change over the interval from 3 to 7, so 3 to 7. So one of the most popular questions people asked me in the survey was, when you are plugging into the slope formula, does it matter which one is y2 and y1? And the answer to that question is it doesn't matter. The only thing that does matter is if you're picking to use 22 first, 22 minus 6, you have to use 7 first for your x. All right, so we have 22 minus 6 over 7 minus 3. So we get our rate of change to be 4. Someone asked, I think it was Ken asked, if the answer can be fractional, and the answer is yes, they can definitely be fractional. All right, let's move on. 36 to 54. All right, so we're going to do negative 12 minus 3. So I use negative 12 first, so I have to use 54 first, minus 36. So negative 12 minus 3, negative 15, and then 54 minus 36 is 18. So here's an example of where we get a nice fractional value for our rate of change. So simplified, this answer is negative 5 over 6. Joyce wanted to know if there was a difference between the rate of change and slope, and the answer is nope, it's just a slope formula. All right, let's keep going. Next is 32. All right, a handful of you guys asked me how to work on the equations. All right, so I need the y values. So I need to plug in negative 4 to get the y value. And I need to plug in 3 to get the y value. So 2 different ways to get your y values here. You can evaluate this. So you can type in negative times negative 4 squared minus 4 times negative 4 plus 10. Or you can go to y equals. You can type in negative x squared minus 4x plus 10. And you can look at the table of values. So if you look at negative 4, that goes with 10. And if you look at 3, that goes with negative 11. Okay, and now we do y minus y over, because I use negative 11 first, I have to use 3 minus negative 4. Make sure you double up that negative. So we have 7 in the bottom and negative 21 on the top, which means that our rate of change is negative 3. Okay, let's keep going. So the quickest way for these questions is to just type it into y equals. So we have negative x squared minus 5x plus 14. I'm doing this because I need the y value. Second graph. All right, so when I plug in negative 9 gives me negative 22. And when I plug in negative 2, being a little lazy here, negative 2 gets me 20. Okay, negative 22 minus 20, I used negative 22 first, so I have to use negative 9 first. I have to double up the negative. So I have negative 42 over negative 9 minus negative 2, negative 7, and then negative 42 divided by negative 7 gets us 6. Okay, let's keep going. 8. 33, number 8. All right, on the graph. 8, negative 8, and negative 4. Okay, negative 8 gets me, negative 8 gets me a y value of 4. So negative 8 in the function gets me 4. And negative 4 in the function, negative 4 in the function, gets me negative 4. All right, so 4 minus negative 4 over negative 8 minus negative 4. So we have 8 over, don't forget those doubling up of the negatives, negative 8 minus negative 4. So my answer is negative